Hello everyone. So today we'll see anonymous function. Let us write these functions. So with example we'll see. So first we'll go with the normal function. So how the normal functions are looks. So this is simple normal function greet we are creating, in which we are doing console.log. Like this is our normal function, right? Yes. So simply we are calling this function. Okay, so it will return normal function. Okay, so now the anonymous function. Anonymous function. So this one we are storing in one variable greet. Okay, function the block. Now function. Fine. So if you see here, we have given name to the function greet, and if you see here, the function name is not present. Okay, so first this is the difference. So function that does not have name, it is anonymous function, and it's usually used when the function is needed only once, such as callbacks, event handler, or asynchronous operations. So why we use anonymous functions? So this question will arise, right? So suppose you are using set timeout. So let us see one example for this. Set timeout function. Clock. After 2 seconds. Okay, so this will not here, it will go here, and we're passing 2 seconds here. Okay, so let us first execute these two functions. Okay, so if you see, okay, fine. So let's get like this. Okay, so see, it is giving normal function and anonymous function. When you are executing, it will do same work. Whatever the normal function is doing, that is same work. So now we'll see this example. Set timeout function. So now you see the difference. It's printing normal and anonymous. After 2 seconds, it is printing this message. Okay, so here the function runs only once after 2 seconds, and there is no need to give it name because we won't call it again, right? So that is the concept behind this anonymous functions. So in such cases we can use these functions. Yeah, that's all about this. Thank you.